Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make Rohu fish with raw mango. So let's begin with the process. Here I have one raw mango. You can either cut the edges and use the mango with its skin, or you may even peel the skin. I'm peeling the skin of this mango, give this a wash and then roughly chop this into small pieces. We'll remove the seed. Once done with chopping, let's start preparing the fish. Here I have about half a kg of Rohu fish. We'll give this a good wash and allow the excess water to drain out. Once the excess water drains out, I will start with a very simple marination. Adding salt as per taste, pinch of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, and pinch of black pepper powder. Mix everything really well and allow the marination to rest for about an hour. Now I will heat up a frying pan, add mustard oil, spread the oil and start frying the fish. We'll fry this in low flame without any cover. Once it is cooked from one side, switch off the flame and allow this to cool down. This will make it very easy to turn sides of the fish. Once done, turn on the flame and cook it from the other side as well. Once it is cooked from both the sides, keep this aside. And in the same pan, I am going to add some mustard seeds. And then we'll start frying the mangoes. If you want, you can even add some oil before adding the mustard seeds. Adding salt as per taste. And pinch of turmeric powder. Give this a good mix. Adding just a little of black pepper powder. Mix everything well and allow this to cook in low flame. You can even cover this and keep checking every 2 to 3 minutes. After about 4 minutes, I am adding the required quantity of water. I am adding a little more water so that mangoes are properly cooked and becomes very soft. After a few minutes, I will mash the mango pieces so that we get a very pulpy and thick gravy. Our mangoes are also half cooked, but we need to cook them for a few more minutes. Cover and allow this to come to a good boil. At this stage, I am going to add the fish. And allow this to cook along with the gravy. After about 3-4 minutes, turn sides and allow the fish to cook from the other side as well. Once done, switch off the flame and let's start serving. Here I am taking a plain white plate and will serve the fish in this. So here we have our Rohu mango fish curry all ready to be served. This is a great way to eat fish, and especially during times when raw mangoes are in season. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.